good morning, but if you notice I made a lot of these videos on the same day. It's just easier. Today, right now, we are going to make pancakes. I use a pancake mix that is just add water. So if you can see right here, complete, just add water. So we need 1 cup of pancake mix, which I measure in my handy dandy little measuring cup. We need 3/4 cup of water, which I will just use the same measuring cup. Pour that right in our mix. I use a small whisk when I mix up my pancake batter because I think it's easiest. All right, just want to get it pretty smooth, pretty mixed in. It's not rocket science though. Pancakes are pretty hard to mess up. I am going to set our batter aside so I can have a safe area to cook in. Oh, sorry, Lillian. Lillian would like to eat breakfast with you guys. Say hello, Lillian. Hello. Yes, she likes food. For those of you that have had me as a teacher or know about me, you probably know about Lillian. She is my favorite dog on the whole planet. She's just a good girl. All right, just like most of the other things I fry in a frying pan, I put a little cooking spray in there first, just to help so it doesn't stick so bad. All right, we're gonna take our batter. I'm just gonna eyeball and pour a little bit in there. Eyeballing means you don't really measure, you just pour. This batter is a little thick. Typically it shouldn't be as thick, but it'll be okay. Can you see the pan? Why is it not? Gosh dang it. There we go. There's our pan. So we want to cook this until it starts to bubble. And I'm going to move this around a little because it's pretty thick. We want it to chill out a little. Maybe not be quite so thick. But we are going to let that cook until it starts to bubble. You can hear it frying a little bit. I like to put real maple syrup on my pancakes because I think they're good. And butter. Sometimes people like strawberries or other berries or things like that. You can kind of pick and choose a lot of things. People put chocolate chips in their pancakes, blueberries in the pancakes. That's always yummy too. I don't know if this is gonna bubble. Well, yeah, it is. See, you can start to see some of the little bubbles coming up. Can you see that? They're starting to bubble. We'll let it get quite a few. I see there's a couple over here starting to bubble. I don't know why they bubble, but they do. Makes it easy to know when you have to turn them. You can also see on the sides over here, it's starting to get a little bit brown. That's when we know we're getting close to turning as well. You want to make sure you wait till they're bubbling a little because that means the middle is getting cooked. Yeah, now we're starting to see some bubbles coming through. There's a couple over here that are going to bubble soon. Oh yeah, over there. It's very exciting watching it bubble. I'm going to flip it. I think it's really close to being ready now. Now it's not watching for bubbles. Now you're just trying to give it enough time so that the middle will be cooked. Pancakes you only want to turn once because they don't cook the same once they've been turned. So we're going to give this, I'm going to set a timer for 30 seconds. Oh, that's not a timer, that was turning the microwave on and we don't want to do that. So we'll go 30 seconds, see how it turns out. What are your favorite things to eat on pancakes? Do you love fruit? Do you love, I don't know, chocolate? I like chocolate. Those of you that know me know I like chocolate. We have about 5 seconds and this timer is going to go off. And then I will show you. Flip it over. This side is beautiful. That, my friends, is how you make a pancake with just add water mix. All right, see you later.